Hi, I'm DMac with VerifyiQ. VerifyiQ is the premier practice management solution for the modern accounting firm using QuickBooks Online or Xero. In this series, we will be discussing how other firms, like yours, are using VerifyiQ to improve their practice.
In today's video, we will discuss the client dashboard. The dashboard can be found within the review and is the first tab. The dashboard is broken down into two sections. First is the bookkeeping information, and then the second area is the financial information. Up here in the bookkeeping information, you will find a list of banking credit card accounts and the number of transactions. Now, the number of transactions correspond to the period that is being reviewed. So if you were doing the review for 1 month, it will show the number of transactions in those banking credit card accounts for that month. If you're doing a quarter, it will also be for a quarter, a year, for a year. So using the client dashboard is a quick and easy way to find out the number of banking credit card accounts being used by your client and the number of transactions in these accounts. Down here in other activities, it also lists the number of customer invoices, customer deposits, payments, and vendor bills, and again, the corresponding number of transactions for the period being reviewed. Down here under financial information, this is a summary of the income statement. And of course, first column, again, will be the period being reviewed, and then the second column is the last 12 months. Now, we have added this feature since a lot of our customers, our accounting firm customers, price their services according to these variable metrics: list of bank credit card accounts, transactions in the accounts, number of invoices, number of deposits, number of payments, number of vendor bills, and again, the transactions in these accounts. So this is a great way to have a quick and easy summary of the activity in your client for the period being reviewed, for pricing changes, upsells, many different things this information can be used for. I hope you will find it useful, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please click to subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments down below, and we will do our best to answer them as quickly as possible.
Thank you. I'm DMac from VerifyiQ.